This place is amazing, but the fog is just so thick. How's anyone supposed to find each other around here? I think it might just about be impossible. Gaboo! Whoa! Those echoes really carry, and I don't want to attract any trouble. But Gaboo said...
If ever you're in trouble, just call me, May. And I'll try to reach you as quick as I can. I may not look it, but I'm a force to be reckoned with. When I get really mad, I look downright scary. Even another wolf would be scared witless. I mean, would you argue with this? Grrrr!
Somehow I don't think that face would work.
Gaboo.
Oh, this is brilliant. Tracking's gonna be just about impossible in this weather. Gear out.
All right, change of plans. Everybody split up and start searching. If you find any prey, call out to alert the rest of the pack.
May, where are you?
Huh? I think there's someone here. Gaboo?
I could have sworn I just heard a goat.
Oh no, that's not Gaboo. Oh, what am I going to do?